aroma is so amazing, and it's even better when you cook this Ukodo in the very day the goat's meat or the meat is being special taste you don't get from old meat from the fridge or the freezer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you are welcome. And to my old subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. Messin O Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to be cooking Ukodo. So I'm so excited. I love this recipe. You know, for those of us that don't know what Ukodo is kind of Nigeria recipe which is prepared with yam, goat meat, yam with goat meat or with beef, fish, dry fish. So in this very one, I'm not going to be using yam. I'm going to be using potato because that is what I have in the house. You can still use potato, you can use yam, you can use plantain. So I'm going to be cooking it with the goat meat. It is more tasty when you cook it with goat meat that is being, which I'm going to be doing today. So guys, these are the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. This is goat meat cooking already. I'm going to be adding salt, onions, and stock cube. So I will be using these potatoes for the Ukodo, as well as the onions. I said onions before, okay? Please, if you are from Delta, I stand to be corrected if this is not the right spice used for Ukodo. But where I came from, this is what we use for pepper soup, and I like this flavor. That's why I'm using this spice for this Ukodo. So I already have blended crayfish pepper. You can see that here. Then salt. So I'm not cooking. This is liver and kidney. I'm not going to be cooking it along with the meat because they get cooked easily. So I'm supposed to add the potato into the pot to cook together. But you know, goat meat is kind of very strong. So I need to cook it for a long time. And I'm using pressure cooker. So that is why I'm going to boil the potato differently. And I will add the liver. But at times, this liver used to have dark, like the stock is darker when it's cooked. So I don't like cooking it together with my meat. I cook it extra and I remove it from the stock before using it. So guys, that is it for now. So I'm going to put the onions in the boiling potato. So I already have the kidney and the liver here. So I parboiled the kidney and the liver to remove that dark stock. So I will be adding onions, salt, cover to cook for some time. And this is the meat. So the meat is already cooked. And I will transfer the meat from this pot to this pot when the potato is cooked. And I will be blending this spice. So I'm like kind of putting it on the heat. So it's supposed to like roast to boost the flavor. That's why it's here. So I'm going to blend everything together. I might blend unblended crayfish and pepper along with it to enable it to come out from the blender, but I don't know. I can't just figure out where my unblended pepper and crayfish is now. So if I cannot get it, I will add this together with it and blend it. And this is the crayfish in the blender. I will be using the blended pepper without the blended crayfish. So I'm going to add the spice. So I've removed the shell of the ones that needed to be removed. So I'm going to add it to the crayfish. We'll be adding the Maggi cube. That is it for now, and I'm going to blend. So I'm going to be adding the spice. Just be careful, I'm not going to use everything. When it's too much, it will be like kind of bitter. And at this point, I will be adding the meat. Get a bigger spoon. The pepper, I will not forget. Not too much pepper. So I'm going to taste to see if the pepper is okay before adding more pepper. I will also be adding water. Not too much. I will also taste to see if I will need to put more water. So guys, the Ukodo is ready. Can you see that? We are going to be serving. The aroma is so amazing, and it's even better when you cook this Ukodo in the very day the goat meat or the meat is being this special taste you don't get from old meat from the fridge or the freezer. So I always like to cook this Ukodo or pepper soup with the goat meat the first day. So enjoy yourself, and you will thank me. So, and for my new viewers, if you love food and you want to be seeing new recipe like this, just click the red button subscribe to see more videos like this and to watch my old videos. So I would like to say thank you for watching to this time, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.